Hi guys, it's Nunu. This is week 3. Can you believe it? I have 3 notes for you this week. Number 1, click on grades to read my notes to you about discussion 1, you as the protagonist in your own story. If my notes are not in place yet, they will be by the end of the day on Monday, February 18th. And you know how to get to grades. It is in the left menu inside our Canvas classroom. So you'll see it there. Okay, my second note, check the due dates for each assignment by clicking on the due dates link. Don't assume assignments are due Sunday. And my third note, if you have questions or concerns, I'm in inbox and I keep my office hours Monday through Wednesday, or Monday and Wednesday, 12 to 2 p.m. General Classroom Building 210D. All right, let's go ahead and get out of this little PowerPoint and into our classroom. So we are in week 3, and what do we have today? We have Act 1 of Arthur Miller's 1949 play, Death of a Salesman, and I've got our window motif here for the class. It's going a little bit more rapidly than I would like, but this is to remind you that you're giving us a view inside the window. Let us crawl through it into the lives of other characters. That's what we're getting ready to do. Okay, so there's my Windows motif. I'm going to tell you again that modules is our Bible in the classroom. This is where you would go to find out what our next assignment is and to scout ahead of time. And here, of course, is grades, where you would read my notes to you. Okay, I'm actually going to go into modules through this handy link I've created here below this rapidly blinking animated window. Okay, so I'm going into week 3 in modules, and I see discussion 2, Arthur Miller's 1949 two-act play, Death of a Salesman. You're going to read Act 1. It is right here. So remember that in this discussion we have 2 parts. We have part 1, and we have, where is it? There it is, part 2. And we have a timeline, due date. So I'm going to click on this and just make us aware of it. Post part 1 by 11:59 p.m. on Thursday, and post part 2 by 11:59 p.m. on Saturday. You might recall that I told you that in Canvas we can only post one due date, so I just list Sunday, the end of the week, for reasons of convenience, but we have individual due dates for the assignments, and they're here, so you always need to click on the timeline, the due dates link. Okay, you also have requirements and the discussion rubric, how you're graded here. And once again, you have a part 1 and you have a part 2. You are reading Act 1 of Arthur Miller's play, and I'm going to click on that link here to show you that it's active and that it works, and bam, here it is, Death of a Salesman. Okay, if you have any questions or concerns, then of course you can reach me where you can reach me in inbox. And let me move this over so we can see the inbox. It's right here, and a little number will pop up, and I will see that I have a note from you, and I will respond to you promptly. Okay, I'm going back into home and into our rapidly blinking Windows motif, and I'm going to wish you a good week. Have fun reading Arthur Miller's Death of a Salesman, Act 1. And again, if you have any questions or concerns, I'm here. You're never emailing me too much or bugging me. I love talking to you. All right, let's get started.